You have been felicitated by the Governor of Punjab and also Captain Amrinder Singh. Uh, what does this day mean to you since you have been promoted?
It was a big day for me actually because I got a surprise by the Chief Minister sir, because we came for the cash award they had but during the award function and they got so happy and they said Manpreet, we will promote you as a SV and that was so good for me and I was so happy because for Punjab Police it's always been my dream. Okay, when I was kid and I always want to be in Punjab Police, want to serve for them. But I got a job at DSP in 2017.
Talking about things which you would do during past time when you would get bored at Olympics when you were playing, or the games which you would win, what would you do afterwards when you went back to the checking rooms after that, after each game?
After each game, I always. When I got back to dressing room, I always listen to music and I'm a music person. So
Are you fond of any particular genre of music?
I like Diljit Dosanjh, okay, Gary Sandhu. So I used to listen their songs after the game and before the game also.
And do you also watch any specific genre of movies as well?
Yes, I am a Netflix guy. I watch Netflix so much, and I'm an animation lover as well. So I watch cartoon also.
Such as?
Such as like it's a Japanese cartoon. I don't know. Many people know about Naruto, Dragon Ball Z, and these are the cartoons.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. Okay, so and not me only. My friend Hardik is also a big fan of animations as well. I like the series of The Last Dance of Michael Jordan because it was so nice and inspired more.
Right.
Give you more motivation. How
Right.
Because how the Michael Jordan guide the team. Because if you have seen that, you must see that sometimes he become so eager because he's not that want something bad for the players. He just want them to give their best.
Absolutely. Considering the fact, I mean, that you are of course so athletic and you have such a wiry frame, what is that your diet regimen looks like apart from the one which is recommended by the sports officials?
Actually, when I'm in the camp right now, I'm eating a lot because
Such as?
yeah, because I'm eating sweets and gulab jamun and all right now after we got back from
Because
Olympics.
people are greeting you.
Yeah, because they're grading me and they're giving me too much sweets and I'm having right now because this is the moment right now because we have done something good, so it's time to enjoy,
Right.
time to celebrate. Okay, so but once I go back to the camp, so I will put the sweets and all snacks and all fast food away from me. So because then I have a goal to achieve more.
Well, Preet, I mean, considering the fact that when some of you were felicitated in the national capital, many also sort of ridiculed the idea when an Olympian is being asked whether he is being chased by women and girls. You, of course, got married last year. How important do you think these issues are for any sports star when people ask them or get curious about their lives as big a question it may be, their marriage or their girlfriend and so on? Does it
I think
mean something to you?
Yeah, I think because it's everyone's their own personal life, so we should not worry about them because it's up to him or her how they want to live, right? When we are when we are entering too much them, so some sports person they might get irritated and they can get offended and they can get lost from their way.
And Manpreet, that brings me also to another question that you got married to a foreign national. How difficult or easy for you it was last year to convince your own family when you got married to a Malaysian national? And how far do you think you were also convinced when you fell in love with your wife in 2012?
Yeah, actually, it was not difficult that because my mother she was so impressed by my wife, and she said already that I want her to be my daughter-in-law because yes, and
Really?
yes, it's because the way she treats my family, the way she treats my nephews and all others, it was remarkable. Like it was really amazing because they never felt that she come from a different country because whenever she comes to Jalandhar, she like show the respect to everyone. She touch their feet and take of the place and making food for everyone. So she never shows that.
And she speaks.
Yeah, she speaks Punjabi also with my mother, and that's impressed my mother a lot. That she never thought that she's my daughter-in-law. She's my mother always treat her as her daughter, and even she's right now in Malaysia, and my mother is always asking me when she's coming back, and she will talk to my wife, my mother. She was, when are you coming back? And we really want you to be here, and we should have a good time and all. So I think they are having a really good bonding. So for me, it was really easy because she's really smart girl, intelligent, and it's not difficult to it's really, she understand everything because she knows for me is hockey is the first priority, and she understands that, and she always support me that. And also she's really positive.
But is she in Delhi right now?
She's in Malaysia right now.
She's in Malaysia right
Yeah.
now.
So whenever we lost or something, she always motivate me, and if I didn't play well, she will tell me that face on my face, Manpreet, today you didn't play well. You need to improve your level, and you need to do this. And she will be honest with me all the time.
ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਵਿਆਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਆਨੰਦ ਕਾਰਜ ਕਰਿਆ ਤੇ she came to Punjab to
Yeah, she
marry?
came to Punjab for the marriage. So we had all Punjabi proper
ਆਨੰਦ ਕਾਰਜ ਹੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਫਿਰ?
everything.
ਅੱਛਾ, ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਹੀ ਹੋਇਆ?
Yes, so Jantar.
There were so many anxious moments, even in the last match for which you were playing for the bronze medal as well. How tough it was for you to maintain mental balance and your ability on the field?
We were 3-1 down, and we become equal 3-3 all. Then we 5-3. Then we won by 5-4, and
Right.
they got a planting on in last 6 seconds.
Right.
So it was really tense for everyone who are watching that match.
Right.
But for us, it was like we have to solve that ball, and Shiriji shaved that goal, and it was outstanding.
And he has been one of the smiling assassins. I mean, for the last few days, he's been posing a lot of good photographs, looking very gregarious, very happy, being a happy camper. What do you make of him as a goalie? I mean, what was it to have him on the field all those games?
He's really funny and nice guy. Like, but on the field, sometimes he's really become so serious when he need to be. So he will tell all the players, guys, focus, and we just give your best, and don't do this. And off the field, he's pranker and he's funny. He will jokes with all the youngsters.
And what are those jokes like?
Yeah, he always pull everyone's legs, and he is. Cannot tell on the camera those.
Okay.
Yeah, there's so many pranks happening in the team.
We have had instances of Mr. Purgat saying, we have had instances of Gagan Ajit. There have been many players from Indian hockey team who have gone on to become the DSPs and SPs. When you, of course, in future, not that of course we would at this stage want you to quit hockey ever at all, considering that you have brought the pride of place for India. When you go on to work for the Punjab Police, what is that you would want to see Punjab Police do in Punjab? Extra from what they are doing?
For me personally, I just want to be a loyal. Yes, everything should be going the right way.